Hey guys, so it's been a minute. I filmed the video you guys are about to... Camera's way over here. I filmed the video you guys are about to watch back in May, question mark? So a hot ass minute ago. And I know I've probably mentioned this before in a video. You may not have seen it yet or not. Don't really know. But I have mentioned that all of the Dramageddon 3.0 crap, it's not that I don't care about it or respect people's opinions, it's that I've still spent the money on the Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette, the Jeffree Star Cremated palette. I've still spent money on them already, and I'm gonna keep using them because I spent money on them already. Like, that would just be stupid of me to waste the money that I already spent. So I'm going to keep using them. The palettes still inspire me, and I still really do like the product themselves. Whether I continue to support Shane or Jeffree is an entirely different question, but with product I already have, as long as the shades in the palette and the combinations that I can come up with still are inspiring to me, I'm going to continue to use them, mostly because a girl can't afford to keep buying eyeshadow palettes if we're going to get put in another lockdown. So also, ignore this. It's been a month and a half since I filmed this video, and I just already uploaded a video that I hadn't pre-filmed, and this was pre-filmed from forever ago. It's crazy over here. Welcome to my brain. Hello, my dears. That's not my intro. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the look we did tonight, today, whatever time you're watching this. I'm pre-filming right now because I go back to work on Tuesday. I've said that 1,000 times today. 1,000 times. But this is the look we came up with. I'm pretty sure I'm calling this the Cleopatra look because, I mean, look at it. Look at that wing, though. That's a long wing. So if you guys want to see how I used the Conspiracy palette, obviously I'm going to keep using this until I pretty much use every shade in the palette, and I've used a few. I haven't used the orange, this one. Did I use sleep paralysis yet? I haven't used a few of them, but I've pretty much used most of them in a look or not, but I'm going to keep playing with color combos because this palette is so intriguing because you look at it and, like, none of those colors go together, but, like, maybe two, and I'm like, this one can go with this one, and this one can go with that one. Let's see what it can do with this. And, like, this palette has inspired me to actually play with eyeshadow again, and I haven't played with eyeshadow in a long time. By the way, not naked. I have a tube top. Dad, if you're watching, I promise I'm not naked on the internet. He freaked out when I did the, Taurus eyeshadow video. He thought the stamper was an actual tattoo and that I actually had a stamp on my face. He didn't even watch the video. He just saw the photo that I posted on Facebook and Instagram and immediately thought that I got a tattoo on my eye. Dad. Let's see what happens now. But anyway, this is the look that we created today. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then just keep watching. Alright, and then here in about 10 seconds, I'm going to completely destroy everything I just did on this eye. So, a little bit later in the video, you'll see what I do when I fix it. But please enjoy this however long amount of time that I think I'm doing something great, and then I hate it and change everything. My Ulta package? Oh! Is this my Ulta package that just got dropped off in the middle of me filming a video when I'm pre-filming videos and I can do an Ulta haul now? I love this knife. I got this from Babes for Blades. I love this thing. Oh, it is. It is my Ulta package. Ah! Now I'm kind of sad that I have a full face on. Alright, hold on. Okay, now I like this combo better than I like this combo, and I don't know. I have to completely remove that now, don't I? Cue me avoiding my problems for a 16-second clip. Yeah, I definitely like this combo now. I feel like this is Cleopatra now. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with Cleopatra eyes. But now I gotta take this off to redo what I did here. Okay. And of course, no cut creases complete without wing liner, so. I'm definitely now a lot happier with this than I was 10 minutes ago.
Experience with the Jersey Devil. There's a spider on my wing! Sorry. Spider, tell me the story of how you saw the Jersey Devil.
Okay, I was driving to the shore. It was real late. It was probably like, I don't know, 1 or
I promise one day, guys, I'll be able to film me putting my eyeliner on rather than getting an inch away from my mirror. Okay. Lashes, and then well, I gotta do a lip still too. This took half an hour for just eyeshadow. Half an hour. I mean, I did redo most of one eye, so I guess that makes sense. All right, let's mascara. I'll come back with finished looks. How about that? All right, guys. So this is the completed look. I switched the wig while I was with you guys, but I did change out of my Thriller shirt just because I didn't feel like it was fitting the vibe. I just put on a plain black tube top, and then I took a gold choker that I have, and I just have a bracelet I attached the one end of the bracelet to the clasp of the necklace, like the extra extender part of the bracelet to the clasp of the necklace, and then took the clasp of the bracelet and stuck it to the extender of the necklace and made a gold headband out of it, because I wish it had like a charm, but I feel like this look is very like Cleopatra Egyptian, and I don't know, I feel like this just kind of worked with the vibe. The minute I changed the wig over, there's lipstick in my hair. The minute I changed the wig over, this look just came together for me. So I'm so shocked at how much I love this right now. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys on this one. Hopefully you guys don't mind that I've been doing just the eyeshadow and not like the full base. Basically anybody wearing masks right now, because I have to wear them for work, literally I have one right here and there's 3 more sitting on top of my dresser. But like to wear makeup to work is kind of pointless to do your whole base anyway. I just put them on because I feel like it looks better on camera. But like I would wear this eye look to work, maybe not on like a Tuesday, but like on a Friday. I would wear this on a Friday. But yeah, I'm, again, high-key obsessed with this. Like, my blending isn't the greatest because I'm not super skilled at cut creases yet. I'm probably going to get better the more cut creases I do with this flippin' palette, because I'm, again, just obsessed. But, I mean, like, damn. Okay, anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.